When you look at simulation result plots, the default unit for stress is Pascal and the default numbering displayed is scientific. If you are like me and prefer megapascals and floating, this can easily be changed by right-clicking on the plot or the legend. Edit the definition to change the unit to megapascal, and edit the chart settings to change the numbering to floating. This method requires us to do the same steps every time we run a simulation, so if we want a more permanent change, we can edit the default options instead. When we update the default settings, they will apply to any studies created after this. There are also a lot of other default options that can be edited here, such as defining where the results files should be saved. We can also add, edit, and remove default plots. As an example, we can add a factor of safety plot, and from now on, this will be created for all static studies together with the stress, displacement, and strain plots.